Hello and welcome to another video. I'm not done a video in like a million years, but you know, new year, new me. I thought I'll do a kind of quick get ready with me video because that seems to be the thing that people like, and you know, like to watch. Need them views, need that cash. But if you've been following me for a while, you might have noticed that I have literally wiped my channel totally clean. It just because I don't know, I just thought, why I keep going back to these videos? It's not like I ever gonna need them or anything. It just, so I thought I'll just wipe it clean and start again. So yeah, so I thought I'll do this kind of fun look. I just wanted to kind of make a like an intro kind of beat, if that makes sense. So that's why I kind of thought I'll do a fun look. Also, I got this little dress thing from Matalan, and they had like a sales bit, and it was literally like £5 or something, and it's just so cute and soft, and I have this big hair and my roots are not dyed, they really need to be done. But yeah, I thought I'll try something new, try something different, have a little bit more fun with making the videos than I had before. I mean, no, it's not paying me anymore, so I'm going back to YouTube. What a life. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. Let me know what you think of this. Is this something more you would want me to try? Stupid random videos that have no sense, and yeah. I did not go out like this as much as I wanted to because I'm tired, I'm after work and I've nowhere to go. But yeah, I thought it was just kind of fun to do, you know. I like dressing up, it's fun, it relaxes me, you know, being goth, it's fun. You know, I had this thought of this random video I could make about, you know, people being kind of down and judging themselves, and then, you know, the one thing that makes you happy, and, you know, dressing up and, you know, playing dress up makes me happy. I know, I'm almost reaching 30 and this is me now. But yeah, I will leave all the details of the products that I'm using on the screen, hopefully. If my editing skills have improved, they will be on the screen, and if not, they will be in the description. All my links, all my things are down below in the description. So yeah, I hope I see you soon.